The trim set itself is all one piece. As you can see, there's only 2 screws that are there that hold it onto the installation. In the last bit that we were talking about, we've installed the adapter, and we've also installed the extensions for the screws that go through the plate. The screws that go through the plate are quite short, so you must have the extension there to be able to put the screws through the plate to make it secure. We need to set this to 100 degrees. This is very simple to do. We would turn on a volume control, measure the temperature coming out of the shower head, turn manually this stem so that it would be 100 degrees, shut off the volume control, and then install the trim set with the handle at 6 o'clock. So we're ready to do that now. We are going to place the trim set on. It actually self-centers, and it's very simple then to find the screw extensions that are on the inside of the plate. We don't want these screws to be overly tight. If you over-tighten them, then you can actually distort the plate. For aesthetic purposes, you can have them line up on the horizontal or on the vertical. Today I'm laying them on the horizontal. And then the final piece that we would do here is put a bead of silicone all the way around the plate itself, and then leave open a small opening on the bottom so that if there were any water that collected on the inside of the plate, it would have a chance to weep out. As you see in this model, we have the thermostatic control that's right in the middle. You can't see it from where you're at, but there is a thermostatic hot limit stop that's on the top. It clicks into place. That's set at 100 degrees. This will go up to 120 degrees. And this lever is for the shower head. You can have both of these on at one time. The hand shower and the shower head, there's plenty of power with this 1005N. It's 12 gallons per minute. And as you see this installation, this could probably support up to 3 functions at one time. This valve is not California rated with 2 volume controls. You have to insert a 1062 1N 3-way diverter. And with that diverter, then you may use that here in California.